However, this is Smart Academy. We are giving physics concepts for all physics sentences. Up to now, in some videos, I discussed about physics problems for physics sentences. So today I am discussing about one problem, the light chapter. This problem depends on wavelength refractive index. So this problem regarding to refractive index. So we will see what is the problem, how do we solve it. So here we have one question here. A glass slab of thickness 4 centimeter contains the same number of waves as 5 centimeter of water. See here, a glass slab of thickness 4 centimeter, one more medium water that is 5 centimeter. In both media contain the same number of waves. When both are traversed by the same monochromatic light, both are traversed by the same monochromatic light. If the refractive index of water 4 by 3, what is that of glass? So this is a question. So here two mediums, one is glass slab, one more is water. One medium, the first medium and second medium. Look here, the length of the glass slab 4 centimeter, the length of the water medium that is 5 centimeter. See, when both are traversed by monochromatic light, so here we don't know how many number of waves traversed by both these mediums. So that's why I will let the number of waves equal to n. So we know that lambda g that is equal to wavelength of light in glass medium, glass slab, that is equal to length of the medium by number of waves, length of the medium by number of waves, that is equal to wavelength of monochromatic light in glass medium. So one more medium we have here, that is water, wavelength of monochromatic light in water, that is equal to length of the medium here 5 centimeter by number of waves n. So already we have here wavelength of light in glass, that is lambda g, wavelength of light in water, lambda w. So we have two. So what is the relation between refractive index and wavelength of light? So here C by V, here the velocity in a medium, this is refractive index, this is light velocity in free space, that is light velocity in a medium. So here V equal to d by t, so V equal to d by t we can add. So we want the relation between wavelength, that's why substitute n lambda, V equal to n lambda. So from this, mu is proportional to 1 by lambda. So from this relation, the refractive index is proportional to, is inversely proportional to wavelength of light travel in a medium. So here we have two mediums, one is lambda, that is glass medium, one is water, lambda w by lambda g. So from this relation we can conclude that the refractive index is inversely proportional to wavelength. So from this relation only we written here, just substitute those values. So already we have one value here, refractive index of water, that is equal to 4 by 3. So we have to find refractive index of glass. So here substitute mu g by 4 by 3, that is equal to lambda w 5 by n by 4 by n. See, take mu g by 4 by 3, 5 by n by 4, cancel it. So mu g equal to 5 by 4 into 4 by 3, so 5 by 3. So we got the refractive index of glass, that is equal to 5 by 3. So we got that answer. So this is numerical value, we got that answer, but what we did here, what is the process, which relation we come across, which relation we built here. The relation we built here, refractive index is inversely proportional to wavelength, is inversely proportional to wavelength. From relation between refractive index is equal to c by b. C is the light velocity in free space, b is the light velocity in a medium. So from this relation we got this relation, from this relation we write the formula, we substituted, we got the numerical value 5 by 3, that is equal to nearly 1.66. So thank you users, viewers, please subscribe my channel for more videos on physics problems for any entrance.